Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're tackling some of the most common household problems with surprising DIY fixes that you can try right now. Whether it's a creaky floorboard or a wobbly table, we've got you covered. So, if you're looking for quick solutions without calling in a professional, this video is for you. Every home has those little annoying issues that seem too small to call in a professional for but still need attention. Today, I'm sharing 5 clever DIY solutions that you can do using items you probably already have around the house. Not only will these fixes save you money, but they'll also give you that sense of accomplishment that comes with tackling the problems yourself. Ready for some home magic? DIY fix number 1. Silencing a squeaky floorboard. One of the most irritating things, a squeaky floorboard. It's often caused by friction between boards. Here's a surprising fix. All you need is some talcum powder or powdered graphite. Simply sprinkle it between the floorboards and use a brush to work it in. This fills the gaps, reduces friction, and eliminates the squeak. Repeat if necessary. No more tiptoeing around the house. DIY fix number 2. Tightening loose cabinet doors. Got loose cabinet doors? Before you go out and buy new hinges, try this. Remove the screws holding the hinge. Then insert a broken matchstick or toothpick into the hole along with a bit of wood glue. Break off the excess and then reinsert the screw. This quick trick fills up the worn-out holes and tightens up those loose doors without spending a penny. DIY number 3. Fixing a dripping tap. A dripping tap can waste gallons of water a year. Most of the time, it's just a one washer inside the tap. Turn off the water supply. Dismantle the tap with a wrench and replace the old washer with a new one. It's a 10-minute job that'll stop that constant drip, 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 and save you money on water bills. Easy, right? DIY fix number 4. Stabilizing wobbly furniture. Wobbly table or chair driving you mad? Grab some clear nail varnish and apply it to the bottom of the wobbly leg. Let it dry, and repeat if needed until the leg is stable. Alternatively, you can use adhesive pads or felt pads to add extra height and stability. A quick and invisible fix that makes a world of difference. DIY fix number 5. Filling small wall cracks with baking soda. Have small cracks on your wall? Instead of buying expensive filler, try this. Mix baking soda with a bit of white toothpaste and apply it into the crack with a putty knife. Let it dry completely, then sand it down to a smooth finish. Finally, paint over it. This homemade filler is perfect for tiny cracks and great for quick touch-ups before guests arrive. And there you have it, 5 quick fixes for those household annoyances. These DIY solutions are not only effective, but also budget-friendly. Have any of your own clever fixes? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.